I get a man your number, you know, him say he grew up with you 30 years ago. Called Palmer. Palmer. Him said me give me number. Him say they live with him family.
Oh!
Yes. And him see up on YouTube. And the man said, Lord God. And I said, why you want Baba number? Because Baba grew up with my family.
Me grew up in mother yard.
Yes. And the man I go call you.
Tell me something. I think
In Canada.
In Canada.
Yeah.
In Kerry.
Yeah.
What woman me got money will go see a lady and the lady give me a number. No, the lady said I go get the number if you give me if you call him. But until now the lady not give me the number.
So him see you, the man said, give me the Baba number.
I say me come from Norway. Me go up in the yard. In the yard, you see for them mother and them father. My mother is a nice woman, my mother love me like hell. So when me a little boy, and my mother ship me away from here.
That's where you go. The story there tell me.
Right there.
It's so
Freedom
funny.
yard me go.
It's so funny, eh?
Freedom yard me go. So about a month ago to me go a Mandeville and me see one next child now. She did live in the yard with it too. So me in a juicy beef I eat too patty. And me hear somebody, Baba. So when me look so at the girl we see. And he said, come sit down as a man. So now she tell me say the same guy there want to get in touch with me. And she go give me the number and I know she not give me the number.
Yeah, man, him email me.
The guy?
Yeah.
Anytime you email and tell say you write about my kitchen, show me food.
JATalkradio@gmail.com.
But the thing about him here is he come to Jamaica.
Yeah.
But I don't see him.
Because we never have the number.
I always wash and cook for them, you know, man. I made the wholesale by them.
What you say?
That's why I see me learn so much things, you know. Because when me there, they are, you know. Them go to school.
And you don't go to school?
I don't go to school.
Lord God. And how old were you?
Then when tell me about 17, 18,
wow.
19. Because my mother couldn't afford it, so we go live with him. But his mother and his father, they were just nice people. So they take me in. They treat me good, man.
Yeah.
I mean, the boys grew up about 4 or 5 son of them. And 2 daughters.
And you hang out, river and everything?
No, we don't got no river. Because we don't, you know them, I said no river, no, they know that they hear it. But me live amongst them. Yeah, man. I cook, me cook, I cook a man, me help cook. But for them mother always work out, you know. Mother and father work out. So sometimes I start dinner for them at evening time.
Yeah.
When mommy come now, she finish it. Certain type of food she put on, you know, you tell me what to do when them are going.
So where you did sleep? You have a little bed?
I'm in a big house I need have, man. They're a big house, man. So their house was about 4 bedrooms at that time.
Will you eat around the table with them?
Yes, man. They don't make no difference between me and them picking, man. I'm good at they don't come inside the next them and treat me like me and no slave. The same access, them buy clothes to me.
I'm have to check, you know.
Yeah, man. They buy clothes to me too. Money I run, I get my money too.
Yeah.
When I want to come look for my mother, they give me my money. So we live good. But yeah, what make me and them get mixed up now?
Yeah.
They migrate and go away.
Okay.
The mother go away to Canada. No, one of the first brother go away. Then he take up one of the next brother.
Yeah.
So they know the mother go afar now and fight for the rest of picking them. So everybody gone. So when everybody get mixed up now, me then have to come back. Me have to set a different change. That time I'm in my 20s now. So I left from up at that side of Mandeville, Greenville, and go live at Hearties. Don't go to see Terry live now.
Okay. For 20-year-old.
At 19-year-old, I live at Hearties. So when I'm 20, I start travel. Go to Canada now when I'm 20-year-old.
So then bring you up?
No, man, I go up on contract, man.
Farm work.
Mm-hmm.
Where do you cut? Cane?
Working in a factory.
Okay. How many years you do that for?
2. But the wages what we did I get over the day too, we couldn't maintain because but then I do mason work at them the time. They tell me I learn trade. So when me out of the trade they pay me more. Cause when me go to Canada and spend the 3 months up there, when me come back me not have no money. Cause the wages is so small, $3 an hour. And you work 8 hours a day, 8 is 24, and by the time you enjoy the food bill and the compulsory savings and the insurance and all these things, sometimes I have $70, $80 you get for your check a weekend time. By the time you go in at the bank and change that time to buy 2 items, sometimes when you come home you can't even pay your fare. So all it depends upon the little compulsory savings when you get when you come down here.
Yeah?
So, you don't tell me say I'm not back there.
Slave business.
For slavery.
Hey, Baba, I tasted nice pepper, you know. When you cut up the pepper and it's nice. Big up Vanessa. Big up the viewers, them. Subscribe and share it on Facebook. Hope you're doing good with your family. We're doing a day. We're in a Baba kitchen, one of the most royal place in Jamaica to be. Hey Baba, you know so one time the Queen come ask for you, you know. you see how the Queen asked for Bob Marley one time. You know, don't be frightened if the Queen come ask for you to come cook for him, you know. And then guess what might happen? You know, Bob Marley said the Queen say, yo, come check me. Baba said, no, you come check me. Yeah, man. This is a royal kitchen. You know, a lot of people believe the royalty is everything shiny and polished and washed out, but this is the real African royalty. Because Baba blood, family blood, him not mixed with nothing. Pure, 100% African. Yeah. Pokey want to talk to me? Yeah. A Pokey want to talk to me? You know, a Pokey want, a food Pokey want me bring down. I bread. Pokey no know say food heavy from you so. Would have to take a minute, must go serve with the crocus bag. You have to bring it out, you know, one from a big crocus bag, go serve, and take another cap. It's heavy, you know. If them want food, them come right for you. Me not come from foreign, come deliver breadfruit for fried pork. Okay, me love you. But when I go and take bus, come on now way. Yeah man, the breakfast nice. Big up man called from my brother named Braveheart. But they are Jamaica now. I still have my daughter foreign now, so I can't. I'm there for a month, so I can't. They are 24/7 a film for now. I set up a donation page, send a donation, and if you don't want me to start renting these films, I better start donate. And watch if me not see the donation grow. I'm going to put fire now, you see. To all Mark Chambers people, them virgin them will love watch the film. Big up on yourself, yeah. Not enough work to take my for reach, so. Paul Bogle movement to say, I feel build back Jamaica, I gotta figure out how to do it. Best breakfast in life. Yeah, man. Catch work back by washing. Where I wash now?
I wash up my small clothes. So that's how me plan my thing before me go in the morning time. I wash 2 or 3 pieces on the line there.
Where is that?
Yeah, me wash my clothes.
Before you go bush, you wash your clothes.
Yeah, man.
You come home, cook your dinner.
Yeah.
You cook your breakfast.
Yeah.
Wash your clothes. And then cook dinner for the family.
Yes, man.
Then who help? You know, nobody, wait, me not get it. Nobody no help you.
Like who?
Your wife.
No, but my wife not there. My wife not there now.
Your wife gone?
I'm not really gone, you know, there.
My work.
She.
She at work.
So she say. But when I really impressed, I can say about no wife needs. Because me born a single man. Never born with no company. Me not twin, you know.
You are?
Me are not twin, you know.
You're not twin.
No, and me born, I'm a one born.
So you wash your clothes.
Yeah.
You farm over 10 acres of land.
So, yes, man.
You plant over 200 of your head.
200.
Over 200 head.
Yeah, man.
Over.
Over some thousands
Over
of yam head.
thousands of yam head you farm.
Yeah, man.
You work 7 days a week.
7 days.
You wash your clothes.
Yes.
You cook your breakfast.
Yeah.
You save your money, send your picnic to school. You cook dinner for your family.
Yeah. Can me lunch in the garbage door?
You bring your lunch.
Yeah.
So you wake up 4 in the morning.
Yeah.
Make your lunch and your breakfast.
After 4 o'clock, I wake up this morning, you know.
4.
Yeah, man.
And what time you go to bed?
I depend on foot. Me go to bed, well, me go to bed early, like 6 o'clock or 7.
You know, say a woman a foreign. She see you and your wife, you know. And she send me an email and she say, Randy, you can't find me a good farmer, man. You see me?
Yeah.
So if you hear say your wife left gone somewhere, maybe I go call you.
Make him come, man.
Make him come?
Yes, man, no problem.
All right, I go give me a number.
Yeah, man, make him come.
Because me sure say he would have come from foreign come wash your clothes.
Eh?
What do you mean? The kind of king you are. Any woman will come wash your clothes because if that's all them have to do.
That's all him have.
Forget the natural food.
Yeah.
Then we come help you build your house too.
Ah.
Because them have money over so you know. Them just want a natural man with honest and loving.
I love him.
So you say you want me to contact her?
Yes, man.
Alright, me give you the number.
But I'm going to me, I say, me is not a girl, you see. So I don't really want no woman to believe, say, you see. The abundance of my life is not depending on woman. You understand? Because that is the mentality of woman.
Yeah.
So you have to study woman, you know. Whether I'm a rich woman or I'm a poor woman or I'm any kind of woman. That is woman mentality.
So you are going to depend on them?
Yes. Or otherwise, man can't do without them. No go so. Just like how the woman feels say she can't live without me, me can't live without her. No, make no difference. Never you get up and tell us say you can't do without woman, man. Why?
But togetherness is the best.
Yeah, but togetherness
It's the best.
is the best.
I believe in togetherness.
So I don't nature you have a night you have.
Eh?
So if she don't have nature and nature you have. So how long am I going to keep for him nature by himself and carry him?
I know from one out the road one day with you, Baba.
You me ask you. Then you get down to come. And you got to then
Jamaica, so the belly I go down there. Since me not eat no meat, since me come back, I've been moving around with the coffee, you know. Really, I go down. Baba wash him own clothes. Man wake up 4 o'clock in the morning. Wash him clothes. Make him breakfast for the family and the wife too. And then when him come home, him cook dinner. I will teach you them things there, your mother. I will teach you to be so self-sufficient. Then you don't think it's a problem, Baba. You grew up that way. It wasn't a good way to grow up. Be so self-sufficient. Not good, man. When you grow up to just depend upon you, it's a good thing, it's a bad thing, you know. Because you see, the universe now depend, one of the sun does on the moon depend upon the sun, you know. The earth depend upon the moon. The universe now work by itself. So you now go learn to do for you all your life. You I do. But you just need somebody who can say, yo, what you need, Baba? Me know say at 4 o'clock can get up, so me get up 3:50. You see me? Beat you to the punch.
Yeah, if you can manage it.
Baba, when me meet a woman, you know, and me know say at 6 o'clock me wake up for men tea. And him I wake up 10. Once me stay 2 nights with him, and me say at 10 o'clock I wake up, you know. I said, this is not going on.
You can't.
Because you know what?
And that's a problem I have with my wife, you know.
You have to beat me, you know.
Can't guess me what now.
You have to beat me.
Me I wake up 4 o'clock in the morning. And at 7 o'clock she not done it. And me try to influence him. Say, look here. That's not good for you now, baby. The earlier you rise, I bet it is for you. Then say early to bed and early to rise make one healthy, wise and rich. So the earlier you go to bed and the earlier you wake up,
You know,
the earlier you catch work.
You know your problem is you're too drunk.
Maybe that.
You're too drunk. You see mama, your mother, for my grandmother, too drunk. For my family, too drunk.
Maybe that type of problem.
Hey, me meet some people in my life, you know. Them not drunk like we, you know.
No, man.
My grandmother, you know, at 4 o'clock, mama used to wake up, you know.
Yes, man.
And mama used to come home and cook for the whole 14, 16 picnic at the yard, you know. And mama used to make breakfast before he left, you know.
Then that's the key, man. The food is the key, you know. So even though you wake up and you not eat the food, you see the food. Now, I have my breakfast, you know, but we just get to put things straight up first.
Yeah.
Then me have my breakfast already to push out. Set up my lunch and...
Too strong, Baba. You're too strong.
I'm not too strong, but you have to feed your body.
Well, no.
And get rest.
You just need strong people beside
Yeah,
you.
me no want no weak things. If you're weak, I can't go with you. If you're feeble. You have to ask. You see a child? Me respond to my picking until the day when he not the kneeling on my grave.
Yeah.
You respond to him. Father respond to their children no matter how big or how old it is. So even when him come up go start to feed him picking them.
Yeah.
Him respond to feed him picking it. Feed him children.
Yeah.
And me I go respond to feed him children them. So that's a feed him responsibility I go start. But even when him a big man I live with the woman and his wife and picking, me still responsible and picking the same way. You can't outgrow your children. Because remember say the child did do a party and then he never give. Look here.
Maybe me have too much white blood in me. Me
I
think
that
differently.
I tell you?
Me think differently.
Then that may tell you because remember you know a child did do a party did it. Children were only in substance, you know, but nothing to being, you know. So the type of food when me eat, it generates substance and bring forth children.
Yeah, yeah.
So out of me the child come.
Yeah.
So how me I gotta show me one body?
You know, but the eagle in the nest, and the eagle in my grow, and the wings start flap, and you see one thing can fly. See you later.
No, but yes, but that's what I say. They still have to go have their own responsibility.
Yeah.
So me not change them from their responsibility. Me make sure that me teach them so they have responsibility.
The little lion cub when you reach a certain age, you better go damn hunt.
Yes, no, but that's why you see my picking them have to go work. Cause me make sure I tell them that. So but that is not my child. I still respond to him. The work when I work that now, go say me not go respond to him.
Yeah, man, love is always there.
And love must be always be there.
Yeah.
So in case I feel hungry, me feed him.
Yeah.
Me not go have the food and the money.
No.
I start a stockpile it.
I know that, my man.
And then if I yard and he not have no money and he not no food, and him and the woman and him picking me up there. And he come down here and want $20,000 me to copy give. Me not let them in. Me not lend them money and me give them. Once me have it, give. Night time I go come when him I give me back. but me can't give
But
no
only
food.
few picnic I go take care of you now. I know all of them take care of you.
No man, none of them want to take care of me.
I know some I always do that for my mother.
Because them say, the people here say me have money, you know. Enough people say me have money, you know. Everybody look for me and say me have general, me have money, but me not have money. What me have is strength. And what me do is invest my strength and time. Because what enough people don't understand. Time is money.
Yeah.
So if me wake up this morning, for instance, me one day, me could have laid down up a house now, you know. Because I say, I am one and I have no wife and I don't pick them.
And I hug up your pillow then.
Yes, I lay down up a house and enjoy myself.
Have a drink.
I will wake up, me have a drink. What you think me I lose now? No money. The very breakfast when me cook each morning, I tidy up the kitchen back before me left here. I work.
Hey, let me tell you
Yeah,
seriously.
invest my
There
time.
is, I've seen the greatest thing in life. You know what that is? It's when a man and a woman get hold together. And you see a woman, I take up a man and I give him cane. And I help each other. I've seen some people together, bro. And that's when I realize life is about.
Yeah, no, yes, we.
And at the end of the day, when I see these elders together, and I know so them when they worry about food, that one worry is this one worry.
Yes.
And when I see them face, and them sit up on the chair together and them not say nothing, and them just look out. And I've seen elders, man, grow together, and the most, all my life, you know, the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life is when I see two old people together.
Yeah, it's a good thing, man. No, because, you see, that is what life is about, you know.
Yeah.
Because we don't, remember saying, no, man, me not say the woman not having part to play. But look here. And neither the man, because it no matter where you go tell me, say this body not going to have this strength every day.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, you still want a companion or somebody to say, move, you take up that depot. But sometimes, me because the woman them hard.
Is this the right one you need?
Hard to deal with. And
It's about appreciation now. If a woman appreciates you,
well, no, we are talking. But some of them never appreciate you.
if somebody appreciates you and recognize you for the amount of work what you do for them, then you won't have a problem.
Pray for you, dead, take up one other man. That's how they make money, nobody understand.
No,
And
man.
I like all women, like all my mother, them will make up their mind, say, boy, them are going to live with their husband till they you see them women nowadays? All him just want you to do is to marry him and sign up him to your bank account. You sign him up and say, you bitch, I get rid of you. Done with you.
Well, I know so there's some good woman out there, and I'm
You believe, sir?
still searching. Yeah, man.
Yeah. No, you talk to me.
Yeah,
You
man.
still have your search.
Still a search, you know.
To find one.
Yeah, there's some good woman out
Cause
there, man.
why?
Some good woman out there, man.
Pirates.
Good woman out
They
there.
come like when me come in, and me light up the fire
Yeah.
and cook. When me cook, them, I not show my dinner, you know. I
Mm.
call Karen to come show for him dinner.
What you say?
So me give him the first preference for she the queen, the woman I queen.
What you say to me?
Me give the first preference.
You live in an order. That's what I says. Your order is ancient, And people take it for granted because your father a certain African
And the
order.
principle, man, I said the African's principle coming up. So most men don't talk about Africa, but they now try to develop the principles of Africa within them.
Within themselves and their family.
And their family.
That's why you take care of you no matter them
Yes,
age.
man.
You
No
take
matter
care
their
of your
age, man.
wife.
Take care of their age,
So
man.
anywhere in the world them go, them say, boy, I was with a man. If them switch up with another man or different people, you transfer to them certain order.
Yeah,
that
man,
them
they live
can.
with him, man. They you know see Denny there, man, and him man run up and don't with no girl, man.
And them have a princely order.
Principle are that we grow in the foundation with. We embalm that in a day.
Yeah.
See, they tell live out the road and he live in a rent house one, you know. And you see now run up and don't with no girl.
Well, the question is, because when you live in a royal family like this, it becomes difficult to mix.
If you mix up. See, that town, in and no mix up.
See me not no mix up. Our problem is when you have a royal family, you can't hardly find royalty. Because royalty is not beauty. Royalty is principle, moral values, honesty, uprightness. Because we have food already, we have land, we have food, we have health.
And you have health.
We have the knowledge and thing.
And you have knowledge.
Yeah, so it's like when you find say it's hard now because everybody wanna know royalty. They don't understand the thing. A girl come date me and she open up the car and I open up the car door and always I open my try and throw I said I go keep opening the door for you. And one day we go meet her family and she opened the door herself and walk across the street. I'm just close on the skirt. You're gone! And she never knows that she gone, you know. It done, for me they say it done, you know.
Done, yes.
Come here, I said, when you meet your people, you forget, say me and you.
Ah.
Me had one principle in life, when I walk with a woman, enough woman I deal with, me test them. Sometimes I walk slow. And I see them I walk and go on.
Faster than you.
And then I stop. And then when them reach a block out, them realize me not there. Irks, feel. Because if you not walk with me, I don't tell you walk behind me now. But if you not walk with me, if you not pace yourself with me, then you're going to come a time you go and see sitting,
Yes.
and you're gone.
Largy, then that me tell for my wife, man. Me say anywhere me and you go, man. Make sure say aside of me you walk.
Yeah.
Don't walk back on me. And don't walk in front of me for me not to walk back on you neither.
Yeah.
You must walk side of me.
Side.
From creation, I me tell people this, and me when you come to the conclusion of it. Anytime you are your woman and you have fear, you know you should have be the sole protector of that woman, you know. Because
Well, some woman can beat me up, you know.
no man, me not give that woman. No, but you listen to man. Me know why you fit talk to me.
Me the date a woman, you know, she's a boxer. Mama, listen, my friend. Erica, my friend. Let me tell you something. When Erica talk, you know, I say, right out. I hit you in your face, boy. But some woman, you know.
Yeah, some man are
Let me
really
tell you
bad.
something. The problem with men, you know, sometimes them think that everything have breasts and beautifulness.
A woman.
Them things that I'm a woman.
Yeah, that's a woman.
We have misconstrued the definition of a woman. When a woman tells you I thump in your face, that's just not a woman.
No man. One girl along the road, you see. Anytime you see my walk I come to you, is a living man you look for. He have nothing for woman. He no look like woman. His foot look like man. Everything about him
Man.
is man.
So, a lot of times men date women look alike
Look alike.
and think that them are getting a relationship with a wife, but it's a man woman them there with.
A man woman.
And when them there with the man woman now, them start get kick up, box up,
Yes man.
and even cheated on and fight up in them face and them say,
And even that him again. Because the woman is more stronger than him.
yeah.
And that's where you fight.
So you gotta be careful these man woman.
Yeah, you have to be careful so you don't pick up a woman is stronger than you.
And not even stronger, you know. Cause woman, even the feminine one, them stronger. By nature, God say you have a baby, you have a lot of pain, and every month you go feel pain. So God make them stronger a certain way.
Yes, you know that
Them can endure things where man can't endure.
man cannot endure.
But
Come
you
here,
have...
come here.
Yes, this is Randy again. Back in the spiritual ground. Now, all of you seen me work on these videos. Thanks for watching. The world is getting into a state right now. The world is changing rapidly. In 2020, you know, there should be a global crash coming. I tell the Jamaicans, you better get ready. Give up everything. Start minimizing the thing and buy a piece of land at the mountains. Start going to the bush, you know. Because some of the last peace and tranquility on earth psychologically is coming. That's why I found myself here. You know, far away from Babylon system of own water. I'm a one, you know, one pear tree and everything. Have everything for sustain yourself. Have a plan B set up for your family. I'll go and build a whole thing around here, so a big round thing, a big wall, and then I go just build it up. I go deck it off up to the height. You see me? Just be a big round wall, eh? Deck it up, you know, and just a big glass thing around it. Yeah. And just deck out the top too. You see me? And have a nice space for sit down and watch the world. The internet here is pretty nice. Food to plant and get well. Brush your teeth and this is what God gave me after all my work. Wish you all the best and everything. I'll keep uploading video. You take care of yourself. I go Africa, I show in Africa, I plant tree for in Africa. I go Jamaica, I show in healing, I upload the herbs them. It is not my job to give you everything you need. You go search and you go find it. I go to all the information, on to pick up, reduce the assets, and go on the journey. It is not my job for spoon feed, you know. Go use the herbs them I'm going to. Find a resting place for yourself in the mountains. Live the simple life, catch on the water. But it's not my job for going to everything I'm going to need for this future and move forward. Me I show you my journey. So uno can go on phone journey. My journey and your journey is not the same journey. Me just show you say uno can do it. Fear nothing. Build something and make people follow uno. In this freedom, in this Zion here. Not follow nobody on earth. Don't care what nobody say about you. Live the life where you want to live. This is way the Almighty creation intend how we to live. And don't make the man tell you otherwise. Because you're a man, you're a woman, you're a king, you're a queen. Embrace your country and find your place upon this world in peace and tranquility. Until next time, Randy, signing out. Love you know. Enough more to come. This is Jamaica Good Life. You know, get better than this. Blessed love to all of you. Later.